Hi everybody, in this video I want to show you very quick how to make fry mashed potato balls. I will show you how to do that. I already prepared here. This is just mashed potato. I already made the video and show you how to do it, and this is just simple to boil the potato, and I show exactly in video how to make it the mashed potato taste better. So here I have a little bit more. Let me finish. Here, will you just make it like this? I didn't put eggs in it. I'm just gonna add here my egg. I just dip it in the egg here and put in skillet. Dip it very good in egg. And put in the skillet. Dip it again. Fry it on medium. You just need to dip in egg. Do not add egg in mashed potato. If you want to know how to make this mashed potato taste better, watch the video, my other video. I will leave the link below so you can watch it. How to add milk and butter to make it taste better. So what we need to do, just fry it. This is a very good breakfast for the morning for whole family. I made circle potato, but because eggs can move, so you can just lose shape a little bit. But you just need to keep moving it like that. It's almost done. I already made one. And our potato is done now. Just take it on your plate and put napkin so it can absorb the oil. Up here. This just egg get off. It's okay. Here is it. This is what we made. This is mashed potato dipped in eggs. We fried it and I put napkin so it can absorb oil. Maybe this one is not very successful, but all others are very good, as you see. They're not gonna be very circle. If you want to make them circle like a ball, so you just put a little bit egg inside. But I didn't do it. I just dip it in the eggs. I love it like that. I don't like everything to be very perfect. So here what we made, and try it. It's very delicious for breakfast, for kids, for everybody. It's very yummy. Thank you for watching this video, and if you want to see how to make mashed potato, just go to link below and see how to make it taste better. Thank you very much for watching this video.